Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Bread of Life Kitchen. If it's your first time coming across my video, please subscribe, thumbs up, share and like. And for those of you that have subscribed, thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you so much. So today we are going to make vegetable soup, and these are my ingredients. Today I have my mackerel here already smoked. I have my red bell pepper. I have 4 large ones here. I have my chicken already washed, my beef. I have my turkey here. I smoke it, I didn't boil it, I just smoke it like that. Turkey is very soggy when it gets into soup or stew, so I want it tough a bit. I have my stock fish here. I have my crayfish. I have my spices. This is thyme. I have my season cube. I have my locust beans, dawa dawa. I have my salt, and I also have my jumbo prawns here. So I'm going to wash this, the vein, and take off the egg. So I have my scotch bonnet pepper for preference. I need it hot a bit. So I have my palm oil. I have my onions. Sorry guys, I don't have the red one today. I have this one. Oh, I forgot to buy. Anyways, this one also represents. So you can use feel free to use any onions of your choice. So I have my goat meat here. I pre-boiled this one. I have my cow food, my goat meat, and my stripe, and you can also call it shaki. So hello guys, so sorry I almost forgot my spinach. I've already washed and prepared it. So let's get started. So guys, I'm going to boil my chicken and my beef. My seasoned chicken, my thyme, salt to taste. So I'm going to boil for like 15 minutes. It's okay. So while this is boiling, I'm going to prepare my red bell pepper and my scotch bonnet pepper also. So I'm going to be blending my peppers now. My red bell pepper, I'm going to blend it roughly, coarsely, not very smooth, So that's what I'll be doing now. The result, you see how it looks roughly chopped, roughly blended. So that's how I want the texture to look like. Hello guys, so now we are going to fry our tomatoes. I'm going to add the oil. Allow it to get hot. Not too hot, we're not going to bleach it. Just allow the palm oil to melt a bit. And add our onions. Hot. I don't like the smell. So it's okay like this. I'm going to add my onion. So keep stirring. We allow your onions to caramelize for 2 minutes before we add our peppers, our blended peppers to it. So now I'm going to add my pepper. For 5 minutes before we add our spices and herbs. So right now I'm going to leave it to simmer for 5 minutes. So come back. Hello guys, so now I'm going to put our crayfish, our dava, our local beans, blended it, add to the pepper sauce for more flavor. I like to simmer for 2 more minutes before I'll add the meat and the other stuff. So our pepper now is ready. I'm going to add our smoked turkey inside, and the other of our meat, the chicken, the cow leg, or rather cow foot, our shaki, so I'm going to give it a good stir to allow the meat to absorb inside the sauce. Not added any seasoning. So I'm going to taste. So I'll taste our taste. Pepper and all, let me see. Wow, it tastes so good. Guys, it tastes so good. It smells amazing. So I'm going to allow to simmer for another 2 minutes before I add my spinach. Let's cover now. Allow to simmer for another 2 minutes. And we are good to go. Hi guys, so our sauce is almost ready. So I'm going to add our spinach to it. So preparing the spinach is by blanching. That is blanching is a cooking process in which you add in boiling water into your veggies or your fruits. Then you quickly run cold water on it. You can put an ice block so that it will stop the cooking process. So right now I'm going to add my veggies, my sauce, as you can see, my spinach, so now I think this is okay. I'm going to stir it, guys. So finally I'm going to add the remaining chopped onions in our fish, our mackerel fish. So that's it. This is our spinach soup. It's ready. It's so yummy. So you can eat this spinach with rice, pounded yam, fufu, eba. I'm going to eat now right now with pounded yam. Yeah, it's ready. Thank you so much, guys. So much, guys. Thank you for coming along. Thank you for your patience. This is our Nigerian vegetable soup. I'm going to eat mine with pounded yam. So So you guys are invited, come along and subscribe to my channel. Comment, there's a section, the comment section below. Comment and like, share with friends, family. Please subscribe, help my channel to grow. Thank you all. You are all invited. Join me. Thank you so much. Bye bye.